Peru News Today. All you need to know about Peru.
Peruvian Gastronomy, Causa Limeña, a delight to the palate. Causa Limeña is one of the emblematic dishes of Peruvian gastronomy. Its most characteristic ingredient is the yellow potato. In fact, outside the borders of this country it is known as the Peruvian cause. Typical of summer food, it consists of a kind of mashed potato pie filled with chicken or tuna salad with mayonnaise, as well as other vegetables. Generally, the garnish consists of black olives and boiled eggs. This stew is literally a dish with history. According to data collected, its origin dates back to the year 1820, precisely during the famous liberating expedition of Peru, led by General José de San Martín, which had the objective of making Peru independent and freeing it from the Spanish regime. In order to support the Peruvian soldiers who were involved in the confrontation, the women began to organize to collect supplies, use them to prepare dishes that were then sold. That profit was invested in the purchase of medicines, clothing and food for the men of war. The potato was the most used input. Parboiled, pressed and seasoned with a little salt and yellow chili, it was sold in the plazas under the slogan, "For the cause" or "For the Lima cause," in reference to the struggle that was taking place at that time. Ingredients: 0.5 kilo of potatoes, peeled. Use yellow potatoes if you can find them. Salt. 2 tablespoons olive oil, not essential. 2 to 3 tablespoons yellow chili paste. Juice of 1 lemon. Gourmet ground white pepper. 1 chicken breast, cooked, with bone. 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise with a touch of lemon, for the chicken and to put in the assembly of the cause. 2 avocados, laminated. Boiled egg, tomatoes, cilantro and olives to decorate. Preparation: cook the potatoes in salted water for 20 minutes or until they are soft. Once ready, drain and grind until you obtain a puree. Add the olive oil, yellow chili paste, lemon juice, salt and pepper, mix until integrated. Crumble the cooked chicken breast, add the chicken seasoning, mayonnaise and salt to taste. Mix until you have a chicken paste that is not dry. If necessary, add a little more mayonnaise. To assemble the lima causa, place a 20 cm ring, you can use the outside of a removable mold, on a serving plate. Place half the mashed potatoes, then spread mayonnaise all over the surface. Distribute the avocado slices, continue with the chicken pasta and finish with the rest of the mashed potatoes. Carefully remove the ring. Decorate the cause with hard-boiled egg, tomatoes, olives and cilantro. Ready this delight to the palate.
Peru News Today. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram.